Today we are going to the number one KFC in Chennai.
But there's a catch, it's the worst one.
So the first review is by Akash Prabhu and he has posted these pictures by the way. He says that self-order machine is not working, service is too late, waiting for 1.5 hours for ordering online, जो कि हम check नहीं कर सकते because हम offline जा रहे हैं, and not taking counter order, not even a single table neat or clean. And neat का spelling ध्यान से देखो guys, इसीलिए हम नीट्स और जेई देते हैं क्योंकि ये लोग ऐसे स्पेल करते हैं. फूड के लिए 2 दिए हैं, सर्विस के लिए 1, एटमॉस्फेयर के लिए 1.
Next review is from Adit Jacob. He visited KFC Navlur on 24th September 2025 and it was the worst experience ever. Our whole video is about that. After ordering and waiting 60 minutes, what he ordered was the bucket chicken offer saying 10 chicken pieces were served, out of which 6 were served uncooked. That's unhygienic as hell, man. And he says that the excuse was given high demand due to Wednesday offer. If you can't handle the orders, why advertise offers at all? Valid, bro's got a point. We left hungry and disappointed, and even after being told that we could get a free proper meal on the next visit, but this experience only makes us question the quality and safety of the food. Truly unacceptable from KFC, 1 out of 5, never returning. And these are the photos.
नेक्स्ट रिव्यू इज बाय आदित्य के. एक तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता आदित्य का इतना वेरिएशन कैसे आ सकता है, बट ही गिव्स 1 स्टार एंड ही सेज वर्स्ट KFC आई हैव डाइन्ड इन. आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर 3 hours to get a single order. The response is also very poor and the most unhygienic restaurant ever. Never consider this restaurant if you're starving, which we aren't. Here are the photos.
Next review is from Deva R. Pathetic service experience today. Not really today, it was 2 months ago. I ordered takeaway at 9:05 p.m. and by 11:05 p.m. they still hadn't provided my food. 2 full hours and not even a single update or apology from the staff. I'm like, bhai, sorry to bol do yaar usko bechara. Everyone at the counter looked completely lost and indifferent. If this is what KFC calls customer service, it's an absolute joke. Probably go to the Joker in the McDonald's. Absolute chaos inside, zero responsibility and no respect from customers, no respect for customers' time. Avoid this outlet unless enjoy wasting your night waiting for cold food. Well, that review was cold as hell.
Right, the next review is from someone neither Sigma or myself can name, but उसका नाम वेंकटेश है और आगे का तुम अगर पढ़ सकते हो तो पढ़ लो. आगे हमसे तो पढ़ा नहीं जा रहा. But he says that they don't have stock or product, but they are accepting orders online and in dine-in as well. Very worst. भाई ये कौन सा इंग्लिश है जो हमने नहीं सीखा? Worst response from the supervisor. Literally, I waited to collect my food for more than 1 hour. Please don't come to Navallur KFC. Very worst response, and food is also not up to the mark. Food के लिए 1.
And next review is from Ankan N. Not serving the chicken in hot condition, taking their own time and giving as much as cold even for dining. Not sure how it will if we receive through app delivery. क्या लिखा है इस बंदे ने? He gulped the words or what in between? Probably he was too hungry, he gulped the words in between. Anyways, moving on. Not able to eat the last piece since it was giving the taste which can't be eaten. It क्या बोल रहा है ये? It will take another 1 week to think about chicken, 1 month to think about KFC. Looks like bro has got relationship problems at KFC is his ex.
कर चुके हैं अभी रिव्यूज पढ़ के, देखते हैं कैसा KFC है. खाएगा तो यही, मैं तो सिर्फ कंटेंट बनाने के लिए आया हूँ. तो सारा BTS जो अगर इसने काटा मेन वीडियो से,
वो BTS में आ जाएगा शॉर्ट्स में.
हाँ.
What do you think? I feel like the place is pretty well set up. That's a different thing. The cleanliness is not that great, but
ये चेयर पे बैठने वाला था चेयर पे पूरा चिकन गिरा but for the first time I was saying only like kiosks
yeah.
not like people taking orders because it's a very small outfit but I think it's very well maintained the lights सब काम कर रहे हैं हाँ the environment is also set up well few things could be nice for people कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं
Okay, so the things we got to be testing in this video are first chicken, because it's cooked well or not. They're gonna give us a reason or not that why it's undercooked and everything.
So KFC does have a great history of it.
Cleanliness, we have already seen it's more of like a below mid, because trays have not been taken, the breadcrumbs are all over. I mean, like, it is not that great. Wait time, we are timing it, we ordered it at 4:25. The time right now is going to be 4:30, so we are 5 minutes in. 10 minutes to 15 minutes should be like the max for what we ordered, which is like pretty much. We ordered like a complete boneless meal where every single thing is there from wings to strips, french fries, coke, everything. Till now, burger has not gotten any complaints, so we have not gone there yet. But yeah, these are the things to test. I'll also be going and talking to the person to take it, or if he comes and gives it. Let's see how they record or how they perform. Because they told that they were pretty rude sometimes. Well, that's one shot. So अभी time हो रहा है 35. So 10 minutes is what I would say. That's not 2 hours according to the review which was said. The place is also not as crowded, but it's still a Sunday and it's an evening time show. I think the myth is busted or the review is busted. Just saying. McDonald's fries or KFC fries?
McDonald's क्योंकि इसमें क्रंची नहीं है ये देख even my fingers are able to crunch है ही नहीं salt is fine but yeah that's the only thing I can review in this place so 5 out of 10
Because we are going with the strips I guess whatever okay.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना
Not as bad as what the review stated. It's cooked. It is not seasoned at all. Not from the inside, neither from the outside. Completely bland. Just feels like chicken के ऊपर bread crumb डाल दिया and that's basically it. I would say seasoning and salt is barely even there. It's just cooked. It's hot. It's just cooked or whatever. It feels fresh. I wouldn't say it has decomposed or rotten or uncooked. It is pretty cooked inside. It's juicy like you guys can see. And I would say it's pretty much 5 again. Average. I can't rate it high because there's no salt, there is no spice, there is no seasoning, nothing. Just the piece.
only here to drink Pepsi guys Pepsi बस हाँ मतलब पलते तो सेम कढ़ाई में होंगे ना तो इसीलिए I'm skeptical of eating
Hey, see, the French fry section is completely different like McDonald's.
फिर भी मैं सिर्फ पेप्सी पीऊंगा
Okay, so now this is the strip. It looks, first off, the breading on all of these looks perfect, I would say. You can zoom into this, you can see that there's a lot of seasoning here, so I think it's more of a strip thing very seasoned, but I really think these should be seasoned as well. But yeah, here was nothing. Already much better than this. I guess this one is the wings. This is so tender. It is juicy. You can see it just comes apart like this. It's so smooth, juicy. It has seasoning all inside. You can see this. It's seasoned perfectly, salted perfectly. I would usually give this a 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10 only goes to the Popeyes. Their tenders are the best. Their strips are the best. You can't beat them in the game. But this one, I would surely rank right below them. 9 out of 10. Guys, I found a way to make a conversation. I'm gonna be going and asking for the lid of this thing. Let's see however they react. कैसे react करते हैं. Can I actually get the lid of the
Regular size caps are not available. Or you don't give or they're not available? Present not available. Okay, presently not available.
Okay, so guys, in the initial they told the stock was not available, which kind of made the thing like, okay, the review was right, but then we got it then. And they were pretty generous about it. They were very kind. They searched the whole inventory, like you saw before. So I don't think the staff were rude either. They were responsible. They were fast, and they had the stock. So we busted.
We just finished eating the whole thing. I almost got chicken fatigue with the amount of chicken I ate. Not doing that again. Okay. Coming to the thing, the fries were mid as hell. They were probably like the worst fries I've ever eaten in my life. Not even close to the greatest that McDonald's gives. उसके अलावा service was fast. 10 minutes के अंदर till 10 minutes max.
7 minutes के अंदर.
Yeah, so that was great. ठीक है. Even though I really think the online orders are getting delayed because the in-store orders are the priority, but we are no one to judge. We just saw a guy waiting for almost 15 to 20 minutes or above. Because जब से हम आए थे वो तब से हमारे पहले आया था actually, and he didn't move until I was almost done. So yeah, taste of the wings, overall taste and everything, I would say I would give it around a 7 is what I would give. Not more than that. There is a lot of room for improvement. And leaving that, the customer service is pretty good. They're fast, they're responsible, accountable. So that reviews are busted. Everything's in stock, especially even including this. So they were pretty kind too. So at the end, I wouldn't say it's a 1-star KFC, but it lies somewhere in the mid category. What do you think?
Atmosphere तो अच्छा था. मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं.
Even the about the cleanliness, I can probably see why it is much more disgusting when there are a lot of people. Because जब हम गए थे, I'm pretty sure those breadcrumbs were there for a while.
Yep.
They were there for a while. So yeah, the cleanliness I wouldn't really tell great, because जब था ही नहीं कोई तभी गंदा था थोड़ा सा. But when more people are there, which people are starting to come, probably even more dirty, probably more waiting time. But when we went is only what we count.
Considering मेरा review fries के लिए 3, 5 था, 3 हो गया.
भाई the fries were atrociously bad.
Exactly.
Never eaten such a bad.
So that's been the video, guys. Hopefully you liked it. Share, subscribe. तुझे कुछ बोलना है?
By the next video मैं थोड़ा पतला हो जाऊंगा.